Hey everyone, today I'm going to start a new series on creating a 2D RPG. Preferably this is like a first game sort of series. Alright, so for this first episode, I'm just going to be going over getting started with Unity and all the programs that you'll need and getting all the folders set up. And then later on in the next episodes, we'll be actually focusing on making the game itself. If I go here, the first thing you're going to need is Unity. All the links of all the programs that you'll need will be down in the description. You're going to need 3 programs from us, but if you just click on the link, it should take you here, and then I'd probably just recommend Get Personal. You can get Student if you want, but I just Get Personal. Alright, the next thing you're going to need is Visual Studio Code. So if you go to the link I gave you, you can just click download for Windows and just follow the steps there, and then just install it. Alright, when you're in Visual Studio Code, you're gonna need a few things. So if you go down to extensions, and then in the extensions marketplace, if you just search up C# with a hashtag afterwards, you get this. Just install this. It's just a bunch of little code snippets and things to help you. So then if you were going to go, as I had created a new file, and if we were going to select the language, C#, if we were just going to go like start, it just, oh wait, no, that's not these ones, sorry. If we were to do a for loop, it would like add in the for loop. If we were in like if, it would be if statement. It just speeds up processes. And the next thing you will need also is Unity code snippets. So if you just search up Unity, Unity code snippets should come up, and as you can see here, it gives you stuff like it adds the start, update, and all the different methods. So you could go like updates, starts, awake, you know, all that kind of stuff. It just helps with coding. Alright, and the final thing you're going to need is to download Critter. Critter is like a little program that you can do for art and that kind of stuff. You can also swap this out for Photoshop if you had it. Not everyone has Photoshop, so this is just a free option for you. It's way easier to use, especially just for art. Another option is also GIMP, if you know how to use that as well. Alright, so the next thing you're gonna need is when you get into Unity, I just created a new project called 2D RPG. We're gonna create some folders, and we're also gonna create some folders in our actual computer. So if we just minimize all those and can go, I usually like creating like a development folder. I've just got this on my OneDrive, so, but if you go into your development folder, right click, we'll create new, and we're going to go folder, and we're going to go 2D RPG. There we go. And in here, we're just going to put everything, all the art, scripts, and everything, but those will also be stored in Unity, so we'll set the Unity one up as well. So let's go here and create a new folder, and we'll call this graphics. So this is what's gonna hold all the render pipeline, shaders, and just things like that, things that are in the scene that are, so if you get camera settings or whatever that you can save, lighting settings. Alright, the next thing we're gonna need is we're gonna make scripts, folder called scripts, and this is what's gonna store all the scripts that we can use for our project. And then one more, I just like creating one called UI, and then just one more called sprites. There we go. And one more that we will need is, actually I realized that we won't put it outside, put it inside the sprites folder, and we're gonna call this one tile maps. Tile maps, inside tile maps, we'll create another one called tile map sheets, and another one called tiles. And inside sprites we can also do another one, and we're going to do player, because player is going to be a big one, and then another one called NPCs. Cool, so that's pretty much everything set up. You can also create the folders inside here as well, inside your 2D RPG folder on your computer as well. It's not needed, but it is, it would be good if you could do that. I am in a 2D environment here. I'm just in 3D. Or did I create it in 3D? Am I being an opti? No, I definitely did it. 2D. Right. Okay, so that's actually the first episode done. We've set up everything, and next episode we will be looking at going into Critter and making a small environment for our game to be in, and just creating some basic player controls. Alright, see you guys in the next episode.